Your F150's 2.7 EcoBoost is already a capable engine, but the factory intake is holding it back with restrictive tubing and a cramped airbox. More cold air means more power, better throttle response, and that aggressive induction sound you actually want. All the links are in the video description. Let's get into it. Kicking things off at number 6, we've got the TOP5 Magnum Force. This oil-free Pro Dry S intake outflows the factory system by 42%, one of the highest numbers on this list. The roto-molded, dyno-tuned intake tube is computer designed for a perfect fit, and the one-piece 18-gauge powder-coated heat shield uses factory mounting locations for a clean, no-hassle install. No cutting, no drilling, all hardware included. 50 state legal with carb exemption. A straightforward bolt-on performance upgrade. Moving on to number 5, say hello to the TOP5 Momentum GT. Dyno-proven gains of up to 16 horsepower and 17 pound-feet of torque, with 66% better airflow than stock. The one-piece sealed housing has a built-in clear sight window for easy filter inspection without disassembly, a genuinely smart feature. The 9-inch tall 5-layer oiled cotton gauze filter maximizes air volume. Fewer parts, faster install. Premium stainless steel T-bolt clamp and silicone couplings round it out. 50 state legal. Sliding into number 4, check out the TOP5 Magnum Force Dual. Two 7-inch Pro 5R oiled cotton gauze filters, flowing 67% better than stock. The dual mandrel-bent wrinkle-black powder-coated aluminum equal-length intake tubes are connected by an H-pipe that balances pressure and maximizes airflow velocity across both cylinders simultaneously. Heat shield snaps onto the factory airbox. No drilling, no cutting. A serious setup for owners who want maximum flow and that aggressive twin intake look. Dropping into number 3, meet the K and N cold air intake. Estimated gains of 19 horsepower at 4,500 RPM and 34 pound-feet of torque, the highest claimed power numbers on this list. Roto-molded high-density polyethylene intake tube, oversized oiled cotton gauze filter that only needs cleaning every 100,000 miles. Custom heat shield installs in under 60 minutes. Made in the USA, backed by K and N's no-hassle lifetime limited warranty. Not legal in California. Stepping into the top 2 at number 2, here's the S&B cold air intake. 43% better airflow than stock with a 99% efficiency rating. The fully enclosed airbox blocks engine heat and keeps the filter protected. Premium silicone air scoop, silicone coupler, and snap-in lid design. No screws needed for filter inspection. Robotically pre-oiled cotton filter included. Designed to avoid check engine lights. Carb pending. Built to last and sounds aggressive doing it. And coming in at number 1, the Roush cold air intake, earning that top spot all day. Up to 25% less intake restriction than stock and forced induction applications. CAD designed using OEM data for optimized sealing and maximum performance. The dry high-flow filter requires no oiling, just wash and reuse. No PCM recalibration needed, no cutting, no modifying stock parts. 50 state legal with carb exemption. 90-day Roush limited warranty. Best engineered kit on this list, no question. And that is your top 6 cold air intakes for the F150 2.7 EcoBoost. Every link is right there in the video description. Go find the one that fits your build and budget. If this helped, smash that subscribe button and stay with the crew. More F150 content is on the way. Catch you in the next one.